Ever feel like your mechanical keyboard just isn't fast enough for those clutch gaming moments? Well, this bundle might just be the answer you've been searching for. We're looking at a pack of 65 Cherry MX RGB Speed Silver switches, paired with a premium CNC machined switch opener. This isn't just about swapping out a few keys, it's about fine-tuning your entire gaming experience. The Cherry MX RGB Speed Silvers are designed for pure speed. They boast a super short 1.2mm pre-travel distance, meaning the switch registers your press almost instantly. With a total travel of 3.4mm and a light 45 centinewtons of actuation force, these linear switches feel incredibly responsive. For fast-paced games where every millisecond counts, this responsiveness can genuinely make a difference. Typing on them feels smooth and effortless, with no tactile bump to interrupt your flow. The RGB compatibility means you can still customize your keyboard's lighting to match your setup, which is always a nice bonus. Now, let's talk about the opener. This isn't your flimsy plastic tool. It's a CNC machined aluminum piece, and it feels substantial in the hand. The blue Malibu color is a nice touch, adding a bit of personality to what can be a mundane task. The real magic here is how efficiently it works. It's designed to pop open your switch housings without any fuss or risk of damaging them. For anyone who enjoys the DIY aspect of mechanical keyboards, whether it's lubing switches for a smoother feel or swapping them out entirely, this opener is a game changer. It makes the process so much faster and less frustrating. Putting these switches into a board felt like an upgrade. The speed is noticeable, especially in games that require rapid inputs. It's a subtle change, but for competitive players, it's the kind of detail that matters. The combination of the fast switches and the easy-to-use opener makes this bundle a compelling option for anyone looking to elevate their mechanical keyboard. Overall, this bundle delivers on its promise of speed and ease of use. The Cherry MX RGB Speed Silvers offer a genuinely faster typing and gaming experience, and the ranked switch opener makes customization a breeze. It's a solid choice for serious gamers and keyboard enthusiasts alike.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.